Hello, welcome once again. This is your boy Latif Olajide once again. Another good website where you can find lists of thousands of products that are not really promoted by the original owner is Allscripts.com. Hope you can remember the search we did on WordPress plugin directory. You see, this particular site has more than one plugins. It has real softwares, both web-based and downloadable desktop software. Now, on this particular, to be honest with you, I played with this website often a lot. In fact, most especially after having heard one expert a couple of years ago talking about the site as one of his source of inspiration for most of his software products. He says all he just do is come to this website, pick ideas of the software, and pick one of them that are open source software and just find a way to merge it with another software from this particular website to create something new. Now, on this particular site, we find free open software and we find paid softwares. So here, basically, I don't often explore more than PHP and this JavaScript. Now, you can play around with any of the section as you want or the category as you want, but I will check out PHP for now. Okay, now here you have several subcategories too, but we'll check out scripts and programs. Now, this is the point where you can now have opportunity to decide yourself on the direction you want to take. So let's say I want to find something on news publishing. Now, here are the softwares. And the top here are the sponsored software as you can see, but below are other softwares, some that are free and some that are paid. Now, here you can now play around this website and see what is of value to you. Now, you won't be surprised that you will see something of great value even in the free software too. And when you check out the site, the owner of the free software may have a paid product that is not really promoting much. So that is where visiting some of these free sites too is very important. So let's check one of it, maybe this one. Informium is fully advanced news scripts intended for use within a website, including was program that we whatever. It will share ways to add, edit, and delete users of different access level. Okay, let's see want to check this out. So somewhere on this right angle here, you will find the information about the publisher of the site. So that can lead you to the owner of the site. No. Wow. This particular owner seems not to be available any longer. Sorry. Okay, so that such is what you find on the internet when people with assets that worth money are no longer nowhere to be found any longer. Though most of it are on what they do are on free sites, but maybe by the time they have made changes, then they can now one can now say dig, use Google to search to see if one can find their new website. So, but using Informium here now, you will not get the website at the end of the particular answer. So, I will rather just go back and look for another software. But I'm actually looking for something of paid software now. Let me just quickly tell you this again. All what we find here are basically softwares. So it's really for developers. So all these are mostly free stuffs. So the free stuffs have their use for another day. Okay, this one says uses this free news ticker to show the updated news link or scrolling text. It asks you how basically to dynamically add, delete, modify news headline, movie messages, and links. This a very simple one, and you can see it here. So let's say click on this. That's very good, useful too. Anyway, even for bloggers, and that's how people come up with idea of products. You see, one can think of plugin that can act as a news update or ticker script. I don't see much blog with news update and ticker script. So that's a very good idea of a product to create for them, for the bloggers. But we are not in the mood of creating product now. We are in the mood of searching for products that are not really well promoted. So this is the site of this particular fellow. We see that he's actually selling the script on his own website for $22. And if you check here, it has list of other paid products. So which I did tell you that by the time we visit their website, we see other stuff that they have available for sale. So you have the list of the product here that we can now see the one that worth promoting. You cannot make a deal with the owner of the product. So I hope by now you know how we start from hospital and then land or end up on the website of the owner of the product. So that's what we do, and that's how to go about the process. Take a look at this, the basic cash management, and then you can quickly imagine who this script is for already. Method that can be used for managing money online. Users can create accounts and maintain it online through this money management. This can be used in companies for managing petty cash or personal budget too. That's the result. So you can think of the sites that we benefit from this particular software. So thank you very much for watching this video. You see, all I just know is that the opportunity are just too much there for us. We just have to start with just one or two of the sites and see one or two opportunities that we can explore. So thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, this is your boy Latif Olajide. Logging out. Yeah, now. Thank you. Bye.